Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Sierra and today we are going back in time to the 90s. I had so much fun putting this entire setup together and getting to get another alien was like Christmas morning. Have you guys seen these since like the 90s or the early 2000s? Let's put him here and hopefully his little bobblehead, he stays. So today we're doing a 90s Halloween mystery unboxing from That Spooky Kid Designs on Etsy. So I just want to talk about a couple little things before we jump into that. First of all, do you die with the Lisa Frank cookies? Like, these are the cutest things I have ever seen in my life. Not all of them turned out how one would hope. This one was a little wonky, the stars got crazy, but they are the Pillsbury Lisa Frank unicorn sugar cookies, and as soon as I saw them I was like, that's going to be perfect for my video that I have planned. So this is the box. How fun and 90s is this? I did this little what's your unicorn name? So you combine the first letter of your first name, so S, that would be glittering, and then the month you were born, so June is shimmer. So my unicorn name is glittering shimmer. Something about that just makes me so freaking happy. Let's try one out. I don't know what they put in this. Obviously sugar. It's so good. I feel like I'm at like a 90s sleepover right now. Why does he low-key look like that meme where it's like, Mom, I threw up, like me at 6? Anyways, like he looks so sad. Like, So I wanted to quickly talk too about the candle that I was burning in the beginning of the video. All of these things that I'm going to be talking about, aside from the cookies, are from Etsy. This, as soon as I saw it on Etsy, I said, I don't care what it smells like. It could be trash. I need it. Spoiler, it's not trash. It actually is kind of cool. So this is from Candle. I will be linking everything down below for you guys. So if you want to join in on the nostalgia, you can. So this is from Candle. And obviously with the iconic logo, we are referencing Blockbuster. And look how pretty the yellow wax is. So I'm gonna give you guys the scent profile because when I read it, I was like, I feel like it could be really strange, but I need to know for sure. The top notes are butter, carpet fibers, dust, and sugar. The mid notes are popcorn and VHS box. And the base notes are patchouli and sandalwood. I don't know how they do it, but it genuinely does smell like popcorn and carpet and like a VHS. Like there's a little bit of that like plastic VHS smell. Like, you know, if you're watching this video, you know what a VHS box smells like. Now I did burn it like a little bit just to kind of see the throw. I don't know how strong the throw is, but I think I'm gonna kind of keep it like this and just get a little nostalgic smell here and there. This is a 4-ounce candle. They don't say on here how long it burns. I think it's all on their shop, but you're not gonna find this scent at Bath & Body Works, and that's what I love about it. It is so unique and so cool. So definitely check them out if you're into this, and I don't know, I love it. And then as far as my shirt goes, this is also from Etsy from Crazy Consuela Co. I love the color. This came in a bunch of different colors, but lavender and purple is my favorite, and it just screams Halloween, and with the print it just looks very like retro, and I love it. I got it in a double XL. I am 5'8", so like I like things to be super oversized, so they're longer on me, but I love, love, love this. Also, if you noticed, I'm sitting in an inflatable chair. Where, Sierra, did you get an adult size inflatable chair? Well, hot topic. And it has glitter. I'll show you guys in a minute. But it is so comfy. I'm like, I'm about to start watching TV like this. Like, no shame. I'm about to start doing it. Okay, let's get into the main part of the video and let's do a little 90s Halloween unboxing. So I'm gonna show you the back because I don't want to show you my address, obviously. I've had this in my possession for probably like 2 weeks now, but I wanted all of the backdrop stuff to come in and obviously the inflatable chair, because what else would I be sitting in for this type of video? And I've just been staring at this and it's been staring at me. And I'm so excited to open it and see what's finally inside. All the pink crinkle paper has been just like glaring, boring holes into me because it wants me to open it so badly. So, like I said, this is from That Spooky Kid Designs. I have seen a couple people talk about them and I am very intrigued. I don't know how to get into this. I like don't want to accidentally dump it on the floor. They have it packaged so nicely. Let me get this open and I'll be right back. That was so hard not to take a sneak peek, but here we go. I'm gonna cover so everyone's addresses are. Oh. I'm gonna try and show you guys without dumping everything out. I'm already in love and I haven't even gotten into it. So first things first, we have a pixie stick. Love that. And then we have, oh, it's a Thai Beanie Baby. It's Claude the Crab. So here's the packaging. I don't know that I can ever take it out just because, like, how could you? Although, no. I don't know. Should we? I don't know. It's so cute though. I remember him. He's like a little tie-dyed crab. Oh my gosh. 1999. I was 10. I'm a little 89 baby. So this is making me so happy. Okay, so we have a Goosebumps postcard. This is so freaking fun. Like, can you imagine like going on vacation and just sending this to your bestie and being like, hey, wish you were here. I actually do wish I was there, even with the scary little creature on the side trying to get into the tent. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, I'm taking everything in. We got a Goosebumps. Welcome to Horrorland, one day at Horrorland. Like, absolutely stop. It matches my nails. I feel like this was meant to be like everything. Now listen, I loved reading Goosebumps, but I never like owned any. I would just like read my friends and give them back. And I have not read this in so freaking long. Oh my gosh, this is actually so crazy. One day at Horrorland. Like, I'm actually in awe. 1994. I'm not gonna cry, but why do I feel like I'm about to cry? This is the coolest thing ever, and paired with the little Goosebumps card, this is so fun. Oh, I just love the texture. This is so cool. I'm sorry, this is so cool. So next we have this little tiny mini Rubik's Cube. I was never good at this, but it does work. It's all pristine though. I wish I was one of those people that can be like, and like do, you know, when people can like do it so fast. Okay, wait, I'm actually obsessed so far. Oh my God. Oh my God. I don't know if these are like from 1996. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys. These are Goosebumps window clings. So here it is, just all together, right? And then let's get closer. Are you guys dying? I think that I'm going to put these all over my windows. But I also just kind of like it. Like if I were to frame this, is that weird? I think that would be kind of cool. I love this. Okay, I'm gonna stop staring at things and keep going. Okay, so I did watch a couple TikToks of this company, this Etsy shop. And so she does like the VHS in here. So I knew I was gonna get a VHS. Okay, I'm actually crying. Okay, so we were sent Scooby-Doo Meet the Boo Brothers. Look how freaking cool this is. Here's the back. Oh, I don't know that I've actually ever seen this. I do have a VHS player like upstairs, so I might have to try and bust that out and watch this, or at least find it. I'm sorry, I had to smell it. I at least have to try and find it on streaming and watch it because I loved Scooby-Doo back in the day. So anyways, the reason that she puts the VHS separate from the box is because inside of the case there are more goodies. Oh my god. And since there's candy in here, it smells like VHS and candy. It's kind of a perfect combination. Okay, so right on top we have That Spooky Kid Designs, and it's all of the socials and all that information and the cutest little Stay Spooky pin. Like, this is gonna go on my backpack. I have a backpack that's nothing but spooky pins, and that's honestly gonna fit in perfectly. And then we have some Airheads. Honestly, is this a mystery flavor? The white mystery flavor was always my favorite. And watermelon, so these are two really good ones. Oh my gosh. Then we got a little pencil. I feel like we're at the Scholastic Book Fair right now in like the best way possible. Like, are you dying? So we have some stickers. I'm gonna show you guys those in just a second. But we do have some Fun Dip. Love, love, love that. Cherry Yum Diddly Dip and Raz Apple Magic Dip. Also, both very good flavors. I was always a big fan of Fun Dip. I just loved it. I tried to make like the stick last as long as I could without like biting into it, you know what I mean? And then of course we have the quintessential butterfly clips, which I might add to my hair. So we got a little purple, blue, and green, which is so fun. I love these colors and they kind of go with the vibe. So I feel like that was on purpose. And then this, I'm gonna die because I was obsessed with trolls back in the day. So we have a little tiny troll, like, stop, look. Oh my gosh, I think it's so cute. Look at its pink hair. I want to take this everywhere with me, and I mean that to not sound dramatic, but I need it with me at all times. Like, imagine I just like twirl its hair when I get stressed. Oh my god, it's so cute. Okay, so then the last thing are the stickers, and I already know I'm gonna love them so much. So we have a little Jack and Sally. I love this style of art, super cute. Oh, I think they're all Nightmare Before Christmas. Okay, Simply Meant to Be. I do love Nightmare Before Christmas, so I naturally love these so much. We have this one as Jack Skellington, and then we have Jack Skellington again. He's so cute. And then another little Jack and Sally. Love, love, love. And then I was wrong. They're not all Nightmare Before Christmas. We do get a little Sanderson sisters. I love this artwork of them too. They look so cute and they have pinks. Oh, I love this. Okay, so that is it from me, guys. Thank you so much for watching and going back to the 90s and having a little nostalgia moment with me. I love doing this because, you know, life is tough sometimes and it's nice to kind of revisit things that just feel like comfort and nice. You guys get it. If you're watching this video, you understand. I don't have to explain further. If you guys like videos like this and nostalgia and Halloween and all that sort of thing, you're gonna love my channel. Please like and subscribe. Join my creepy little corner of the internet. I would love to have you. And yeah, I guess that's it until next time, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.